Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily disable or turn off data calling on your Android. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, basically the purpose of data calling is to enhance the quality of voice when the signals are not strong enough to deliver the call in a good quality. And if you want to turn off this feature or disable this feature, all you have to do is to go to the settings of your Android phone, and after that you'll have to tap on the search bar on the top right corner, and then you'll have to search for Wi-Fi calling, and then tap on Wi-Fi calling, and in the bottom you'll be able to find an option of LTE that will be turned on. And if you want to disable this feature, all you'll have to do is to toggle this option off, and data calling is now disabled. So I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.